Srila Prabhupada was born in Kolkata as Abhay Charan De in 1896. In 1965, at the age of 69, Srila Prabhupada travelled to America only to fulfill the instructions of his spiritual master, His Divine Grace Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, which were preached to the people in the West and published books. Before sailing for America, Srila Prabhupada had never been outside of India. But in the next 12 years, he would travel many times around the world propagating Krishna consciousness. Before leaving India, he had written only 3 books. In the next 12 years, he was to write more than 60. Before he left India, he had initiated 1 disciple. In the next 12 years, he would initiate more than 4,000. Before he left India, hardly anyone believed that he would fulfill his vision of a worldwide society of Krishna devotees. But in the next decade, he would form and maintain the International Society of Krishna Consciousness and open more than 100 centers, which have now expanded to more than 800 centers across the globe and transformed lives of millions of people. The first scene of a narrative is set in New York, where one of the first disciples of Srila Prabhupada, Michael Grant, who later became Mukunda Goswami, was struggling to find a purpose in life along with his friend Vicky, who was an African American drummer. Hey Vicky!
Hey, hi!
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm searching for a higher truth. I attended a class on Buddhism. I asked a lot of questions, but I was not satisfied with the answers.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I also went to a Zen monk. There also I inquired a lot. But I'm not getting what I want. Am I doing the right thing or am I just wasting my time?
I think you should go to a Swami. I have been visiting recently. He keeps his place open every evening. It's at the Bowery. I think you should go there. And when you see whether you can get answer there, he's an old man, very loving person.
Oh, is it at the Bowery?
Yeah.
That's not very far from where I stay.
Yeah.
I think I will do that. That's
You
a good suggestion.
You must.
Thanks Vicky for your suggestion. This is at 94 Bowery, which is one of the first places Srila Prabhupada stayed in New York and planted the seeds of bhakti in the West.
We are not the body. We are the soul. Spirit soul. Soul lives in our body. This body is made up of matter. Therefore, it is temporary. But soul is not like that. Soul is eternal. There are 8.4 million types of species in the world. Therefore, we see so many varieties of bodies around us, but they are not one. This material world is governed by 3 modes of nature. Those are goodness, passion, and ignorance.
Hey Swami, I have a question. You say we are not the body. Then who are we?
Yes, that is correct. We are not a body. We are the soul. Soul is not body.
And how do you prove that?
If I ask you, who are you? What will be your answer?
My name is Michael.
There are so many Michael in the world. But who are you?
I am Michael Grant, son of my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Grant.
Your parents may have other son also. And what is different between you and your brother? Who are you?
Who am I?
Yes. Now you are asking the right question. Who am I? Everyone must ask this question. Who am I? You are not a Michael. This Michael is the name. It is given to your body. This body was not in the beginning. It will not be there after your death. Therefore, this body is temporary. So we are not bodies. We are the soul, spirit soul. So, we should live according to soul consciousness.
The next scene is a landmark event. The famous Kirtan in Tompkins Square Park, where Srila Prabhupada sat under a tree and did Kirtan with few of his earlier followers. In fact, that tree is marked even today.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
From the Bhavani, Srila Prabhupada moved to 22nd Avenue, where he opened the famous storefront temple and established his shop.
So, in this lecture, we all heard the glories of chanting. The chanting is a very important process. All of you, keep chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the beginning, you may not understand the meaning. What is Hare Krishna? But still, because it is transcendental sound, it is auspicious. You may hear or you may not hear. It is auspicious. This chanting is not the sound of this material world. It is not a vibration of this material world. It is imported from the spiritual world. So it is auspicious. It trains our consciousness. It purifies us. So I request all of you, please chant Hare Krishna daily, without fail. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. So this ends our lecture. Is there any question? We will take prasad now.
Can I get some more prasadam?
Yes. Want some more? Please ask.
This prasad is so sweet. Every evening we come here, and the Swami feeds us so lovingly. Oh my God, Krishna, there are so many unclean pots over there. Who cleans them every day? There is no one else other than Swami over here. Maybe he is doing this work alone. This is not good. He needs some help. Maybe I should help him.
I want just pray to Krishna. Please send someone to help me. Thank you, Mahapurush.
The first initiation for Srila Prabhupada happened shortly thereafter. Mike became Gokunda. Mike's girlfriend, Jan became Janki, along with 9 other initiated gurus. Hare Krishna Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Mukunda and Janaki. Now you are initiated. You should get married now. It is not good to stay together without being married. So, I am going to conduct a marriage ceremony very soon. You may call your family members if you desire.
Srila Prabhupada, can I get my sister please?
Yes, of course. Please call them.
Thank you
Thank you,
Prabhupada.
Prabhupada.
Excuse me, I'm Tom, Sam's sister. Can I help you with the wedding, please?
Yes, of course. Please wash your hands and start cutting the vegetables.
Okay.
Oh, you are touching your hairs? Please go and wash your hands.
How do I address you?
Everyone's called me Swami here. You may also call the same.
Swami, can I take a smoking break? Smoking break?
Yes. But you have to go outside. Wash your hands and continue your work.
Thank you, Swami.
But ensure you come again.
Okay.
Srila Prabhupada said, book distribution is a real business. These books are so potent that anyone who reads them is sure to become Krishna conscious. Srila Prabhupada would spend sleepless nights translating these books. One such night, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada?
Oh, Avnish,
Yeah.
show me. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita is Bhagavad Gita. Wow, the prospects of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You forget this, right? This cover page looks so beautiful, very attractive. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how nicely is dancing. There are two swans also, they are also dancing. You see, Prabhu, so beautiful. The park also there. The binding also very strong. I told her, these are transcendental books. It should not fall off. Wow! On very first page you printed Lord Sankirtan movement. So beautiful. This is how our Sankirtan movement is.
See, the beautiful picture is there.
Are there?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, here. In today.
Oh, there are so many color pictures. All are beautiful. Good. You have given translation below it.
Prabhupada, Macmillan also agreed to print Bhagavad Gita. They are very happy with the continuous demand for publication.
Yes, Brahmananda. It is very important. We have to distribute Gita also.
Prabhupada, we are printing a lot of books. What kind of devotional service is it?
This book distribution is a kirtan. Rameshwar,
Yes, Prabhupada.
I'm very happy. You published this Chatan Jagatamrut in very record time. We have to work like that. We have to bring such whole transcendental book to the world. I like it.
Prabhupada, while publishing book, which of the 9 processes of bhakti are we practicing?
This publishing book is a deity worship. The type of archana.
Thank you, Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Hare.
Meantime, the movement has spread to England. And guess who was the biggest factor in the earlier days? George Harrison.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Srila Prabhupada, he is George Harrison.
Hare Krishna, George.
Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada, I want to leave singing and want to join your movement. Shyam Sundar has already inspired me so much, so that I want to leave all the name and fame.
No. Remain where you are. By staying in material world, you will be able to do better service to Krishna.
If you wish so, Srila Prabhupada, what should I do now?
I want to record one bhajan. Will you allow our devotees to record in your studio?
Yes, Srila Prabhupada, I shall make all the necessary arrangements. Invite Shyam Sundar along with the devotees for the recording.
Yes. Yamuna can sing well.
Yes, Prabhupada.
She will lead the kirtan.
Yes, Srila Prabhupada.
Thank you so much, George.
Thank you so much, Srila Prabhupada.
George Harrison was extremely inspired by Srila Prabhupada and in 1973 made a generous donation of a 17-acre property just outside London. It was initially called Peacock's Manor. In honor of Srila Prabhupada, the name was changed to Bhaktivedanta Manor, which today houses Radha Gokulananda deities. John, whom you saw earlier as sister of Janki, became Yamuna, who is very famous for her prayers, Govindam Adi Purusham, which are played in a voice in every ISKCON temple every morning. She was also instrumental in bringing Krishna consciousness to San Francisco and London.
Hare Krishna, George.
Hare Krishna, Shyam Sundar.
She is Jamuna.
Hare Krishna. Can we start the recording?
Govinda Adi Purusha Namah Bhajame Govinda Adi Purusha Namah Bhajame Govinda Adi Purusha Namah Bhajame
Jai Pataka Gauranga.
Yes, Srila Prabhupada. Ganesha, Jai Pataka. Swamiji wants to meet you.
Hare Krishna Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna. Jai Pataka. You have to go to India. Stay at Kolkata Gauriya Math along with my God brothers. Start temple there. Do Nagar Sankirtan also. Gauranga, I want you to go to Africa. Start preaching there. But before, I will give you Sannyas Diksha. And name you Bhakta Tirtha Swami. Then you proceed to Africa.
Praise.
Krishna will protect you. Hare Krishna.
Praise.
Next scene depicts Jayapataka Swami Maharaj in India. He is doing Nagar Sankirtan and singing.
Hari Hare Nama Krishna Hare Nama Radhaya Nama Krishna Hare Nama Hari Hare Nama Krishna Hare Nama Jai Gauranga Jai Gauranga Jai Sachidananda Nitai Gauranga Nitai Gauranga Jai Sachidananda Gauranga
জনিকা দেখো দেখো মহারাজ ফরেন থেকে এসেছেন আমাদের কালচার গ্রহণ করছেন আর মহা আনন্দে পরিণাম বিতরণ করছেন তাহলে আমরা কেন বলবো না
চলো তাহলে আমরা ওনার কাছ থেকে দীক্ষা নিই।
চলো 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 যাই জনিকা
Jai Gauranga Jai Gauranga Jai Sachidananda Gauranga
Nitai Gauranga Jai Sachidananda Gauranga.
In case some of you didn't understand the Bengali dialogue, it was the man says the Swamiji is adopting our culture more than us. If he can become a sannyasi following so many rules and regulations, what is stopping us from following our scriptures? And then his wife says, yes, yes, let us take Diksha from him.
This is the initiation ceremony. So you are all very fortunate for among billions of souls only a few by the mercy of Guru and Krishna get the seal of devotional service. So you must cultivate this seal by regularly chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra and by strictly following the 4 regulative principles. And whoever you see, you tell them about the glories of devotional service. This is also the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jare dekho tare kaho Krishna Upadesh, more agya guru hoye taro ei jai. So wherever you are, reach to your full capacity. Your name is Sridhar Shyamdas. Your name is Srinivas Sindaidas.
The next scene depicts His Holiness Manu Swami Maharaj preaching in Ayodhya.
Maharaj, with your blessings, preaching is started in IIT. Now more students are joined from the new batch. Today's topic is chapter 12 Bhakti Yoga.
One must practice bhakti to gradually attain love for Krishna prema. However, initially, one's bhakti may be Karma Mishra Bhakti or Jnana Mishra Bhakti. One must continue to practice until one reaches Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotion for Krishna.
So we would like to thank His Holiness Bhanaswami Maharaj on behalf of our IITM Bhakti Mixer group by simply chanting Hari Bol 3 times.
Hari Bol!
Hari Bol! Hari Bol!
Like we were discussing, 26 years since His Holiness Bhanaswami Maharaj started the classes in IIT, the legacy of transforming lives continues.
Hare Krishna. Welcome all to the Bhagavad Gita program. Today's topic is chapter 1866. I will first recite the slogan and you can speak after me. Sarva Dharma Parityaja Namekam Saranam Vraja Aham Sarva Bhakebhyo Mokshasyami Masuja. Krishna says, under all varieties of belief, just surrender to me. I said, given you from all the circumstances, do not fear. The 6 days for the God of surrender are mentioned in offered by Srila Prabhupada. The process of surrender, the age of the is Mahamantra, forgiving all surrender.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thus, the legacy of transforming life continues in the disciplic succession of the Brahma Madhava Gaudiya Sampradaya. We sincerely thank you all for your presence today. While we have tried to keep the incidents as true as possible, in case of any defects, we humbly beg your forgiveness. Before we end, on behalf of all in IIT Bhakti Viksha Group, I would like to thank Rashmi Mataji for being a driving force and a source of inspiration for all of us to enable us to have undertaken this play today. Thank you very much, Mataji, for your support and guidance. Once again, we thank you all very much for giving us your wonderful association this evening. Hare Krishna!
Hare Krishna!
Hare Krishna!
Hare Krishna!
Hare Krishna!